Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are gonna clean my E36 Touring. It's very dirty, it got a lot of mud on it. The rear, the front, everything got dirty. The inside is okay, but still a little bit filthy. So we're gonna clean everything outside, inside, wax it after so it stays nice for a bit longer. I'm gonna start off with the wheels because that's probably the most work with all the spokes. So that's where we are gonna start. Let's do it. So I got this to reach into the spokes because they're very narrow and I can't really get into them with the other wash mitt. So I use this and I just brush in between them, and when you use enough wheel cleaner it just comes off. So that's really nice, very useful. As you can see, I just finished the wheels. It's always funny to see the wheels clean and the rest of the car dirty. So these wheels are pretty clean, as you can see, compared to the rest of the car. They even look better. So now we are gonna continue with the rest of the car. First I'm gonna clean it with the power washer and then I'm gonna soap it. So we are gonna do that next. So we power washed the car. I filled the buckets with soap and now we're gonna soap the car top to bottom so we don't take the gross dirt and smudge it all over the car. So we're gonna start with the roof, hood, then the front side of the doors and the fenders, and then the bottom side, and lastly the rear bumper and front bumper. So that's what we're gonna do. So we cleaned the whole car. Now we're gonna rinse it off with water and dry it so we don't get any stains from the water. After that we're gonna clean the inside. Done. We're gonna start by getting the floor mats out and vacuuming beneath them, then vacuuming the seats and the floor mats itself, and then we're gonna go into like the shifter and we're gonna do the vents, so like the small dusty things, but the main dirty ones are the floor mats, so it'll be an easy job. It's just vacuuming. So we're gonna clean it with the vacuum cleaner, and then that's basically it. Small clean. Yeah? So we're gonna take the floor mats out.
Ja, ik heb het gefilmd.
So this is the first part of the cleaning process. My dog is gonna inspect the mats, if it's alright to clean them. And if he stops sniffing, it's alright. See? We can clean them. Good job. we finished the whole car inside out. I'm pretty excited how it turned out for just a simple clean. 8 March I'm gonna go to Drift Sport with Casper and Mark, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. Stay tuned for that, but for now it's not much exciting going on, so we'll see what I can come up with for the next 4 weeks, and then the coupe is gonna be back, so there's gonna be a lot of content coming from that car, and the weather is gonna be better, so everything's gonna be a lot more fun. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.